Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've got a couple of videos on the Symmetry tool. But the Symmetry tool started in X8 and above, I'm almost 100% sure. And it is a really cool tool. If you go and create a new Symmetry, it gives you a line, and we're just going to make one copy, and you take the freehand tool and you get on that edge and you just start drawing lines, and then when you let go of it, it does the opposite. And so you can go and then change your symmetry part. Let's make this thing like 3 inches, and you can round it off, and when you round it off, it'll round off the other side. If we look with the shape tool, you can move that, and that moves. So somebody asked me, can you do that without the Symmetry tool? And yes, you can. Not as cool, because the Symmetry tool can actually do, more than two. It can do a bunch. It can do a bunch of different symmetries. But there is a way to make a simple without the Symmetry tool. Take you a 2-point line, hold down the control button, get it perpendicular, and hit P. Let's go ahead and get this out of the way. And then take your freehand tool or whatever tool you prefer and just draw out. Well, I got the 2-point line tool because I most use it most of the time. And let's just kind of draw a shape. Whoop. Let me just start over. Get rid of that line. So let's get the freehand tool and let's just make a shape. And let's call that good. And see, I went from line to line. And then you could take the smoothing tool and smooth out that line and take out nodes. And, let's just take out a few of these nodes and make it a little rounder. Well, then what you can do is go to Edit and Clone. And I just made a hotkey for mine, which is alternate C. So we're going to make a clone, then hold down the control button and move that over. Now this is a clone of this shape. So now you can take the shape tool. Now this will probably only work, well, right now it's only going to work for 2 of them. But if you look, when I change these nodes, those nodes over there change. This would really help you draw something if you're drawing, and I call it live view, because you get to see what it looks like while you're doing it. And, get all the different kinds of shapes and play around with it. And you're drawing with the same kind of tool. Now it's really only working on 1 dimension. You can make it on 4 dimension. Then just take away that line and fill that in with the Smart Fill tool. And what that does, it joins those 2 lines, and then you can left click, right click, and now this is a cut line, or whatever you want to make it. If you want to engrave it. So there's ways around it. But Symmetry tool is only available in X8 and above, and the person I'm trying to help only has X7. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.